Hello, my crafty friends. It's Jelly Bean. Hi. I know I haven't been here for a while, but having back issues is up and down. You have good days and bad days, and then if you have other problems on top of that, it makes it even worse. But my doctor and I have worked out something that I think is going to work. It's either that's working or the warm weather is working. It's starting to get warm here. So that probably contributes to me feeling better too. But I know it's a bad time right now for everyone everywhere. And I want to kind of put something out there. Y'all know I have my little lady next door. She'll be 99 in June. And while she still has her right mind and everything, she does have little touches of dementia. And one of the things that happen when you start getting dementia is, number one, you can hallucinate, which she's done one or two times now, and you get scared easily. And she's told me that at night she sits there and she just starts shaking because she's really kind of scared to be there. She's by herself, so I can understand her being scared. But if you know someone who is elderly and needs to stay home, which it's been tough trying to explain to her why she needs to stay home, and she doesn't have something to do at home. She used to crochet, but her eyes have gotten too bad and she can't crochet, and she used to needlepoint and cross stitch. She can't do that anymore. So really she has nothing to do. And since I have advised her that no one should come and visit her and tried to explain to her without scaring her to death, the only thing she has to do is sit and watch TV or talk on the phone. And while she does call a lot, and we do talk for long periods of time, when elderly people are sitting there and can't go out, can't mingle with their friends and stuff, they sit and they watch TV, and all you see on TV now is about the coronavirus. And I hate to say, but that's scary. They're sitting there, they can't do anything, they can't, visit their friends. My little lady liked to go and visit her friends in the nursing home, which we know is a big no-no right now. She was at one time in there after she fell, but she got better and come home. But anyway, if you know someone that's elderly and at home, or even in a nursing home or assisted living, it's too dangerous for them to come out. So take a few minutes and call them or check on them. Make sure they have the things they need. I think it's real important for us to really look after our elderly people. And I mean, I'm at high risk too, because I haven't smoked in 2 years, but I smoked for 34 years prior to that. So I have COPD and emphysema, so it's dangerous for me to go out. So I'm kind of hunkered down as well. I do go and check on her and everything, but school is out. I'm playing teacher, and things are just tough for everyone. But check in on the elderly. Make sure, or people who are sick, make sure they have what they need. A lot of people on fixed incomes can't go out and get the things they need because they only get a check once a month, and then when they do get their check and they go out, everything's sold out and they can't get it. So kind of check on those people. I am feeling better, but due to all the extreme cleaning, I'm still having good and bad days. I'm gonna try to come back and be back more regular now. between playing teacher and helping my little lady next door and checking on my mom and stuff like that. But I'm not gonna promise anything. I'm still having a few bad days with all the cleaning to do every day, so that really takes a toll on your back. Thank goodness I have my grandson here to help me. He's a big help. But in the meantime, I wanted to come tell y'all, hey, I missed you, and I wanted to share some happy mail that I got while I wasn't around. And I just want to say, if there's anyone you know who isn't feeling well, isn't around a lot, you haven't talked to in a while, and you think they're kind of down, send them a card. You know, it is amazing how powerful a card can be in the recovery of someone, because, you know, happiness, laughter, smiles, all helps with your healing. And if you know someone that's down, or someone that's, you know, just not been around for a while, and you think they've been sick or something, send them a card. It does wonders when you're not feeling well. I know it did for me. And I got a couple cards. I got a couple happy mails, little happy mails, and I just wanted to share them with you. Heather sent me a beautiful Valentine's card that I thought was just amazing. I love hearts, and this, she's got the word paper with Valentine's words back here with the definitions, and some ribbon, couple hearts here. This is a foam heart. This is a craft or chipboard heart, and she put a really nice note in there. Thank you, Heather. Awesome card. I also got a card from Mama Wagman. Y'all, Mrs. Wagman, who is Alicia's mom, was going through all the hospital stuff and everything when she was up there, and I asked Alicia, could I send her a card, just get well card, and I sent her one. Well, she sent me a note back, and I tell you, thank you so much, Mama Wagman. Even though you did not have to do this, it made my day, and I'm so appreciative, and it is such a sweet note, and I am so grateful to you for sending this. We're gonna have to be pen pals. You write good letters. But I got a sweet note from her. Also, I got a card from Lizzie, and I had never received any mail from Lizzie, so it took me a few minutes to figure out who this was sending me this, because I didn't know the name, honestly. I knew Lizzie, but not the whole name. So, but she has made this card, and I believe she watercolored this paper herself. Isn't that gorgeous? And then I love this cut apart she put on here with the truck with the spring flowers. Isn't that adorable? And then it's got the foil, fill your life with flowers, and there's a little foil on the truck and the little tag and everything. It's really cute. She sent me a nice little note. It's got some little stickers inside, and this paper here, this is really pretty paper. I love this paper, and she made this little banner too. I'm gonna have to put this on a little paper clip and use it in my junk journal that I'm starting to make. I'm gonna tell y'all about that in another video. But anyway, isn't this pretty? I love butterflies and flowers, and it has both. And this little banner, she's got some foil paper and the little Maggie Holmes leaves, some gems, and this is, I kind of know this yellow color is a Maggie Holmes color, so I'm assuming that's a Maggie Holmes cutout. Very pretty. Thank you so much, Lizzie. That was really sweet. I also received, making sure my little box thing don't turn over, some mail from Lily, who is crafting with Liller, and she had at Christmas time the 12 days of Christmas where she made something each day and she gave it away. And I commented on one of them, and I guess my name was drawn when she did the giveaway for commenting on it. But she made the most adorable little clear bag that she sewed, and she's got some happy in here. Try to take it out. But I love this bag that she made. Can y'all, I hope y'all can see this really good. Isn't that cool? It is acetate that she has sewed around with a sewing machine with this like fluorescent pink thread. Glued a flower on here, and she put these handles on here, and she used the, it's not a brad, it's like the grommets we use on our tags, but it's a flower shape. Can y'all see the shape of that? Isn't that cool? But I thought this was awesome. And then, of course, inside are some of her really pretty chunky dunk snow globes. She made snow globes. See the little snow globe in the back? She sewed it, and it's got the glitter paper in the background. She sewed around and put sequins and snowflakes in there. And this one has several layers. It's got a snowflake. It's got, look how chunky those are, y'all. And they even got mashed a little bit in the mill. Y'all know how the mill is. Let me see. Look how chunky that is. Y'all see how chunky that is? I know my light's not the greatest. I'm gonna have to start doing my light in the day, my videos in the daytime, but I'm busy playing teacher then, so it's been hard. But anyway, she's got a snowflake and a cupcake and a Christmas tree, and this is an actual ice skate. You know I had to check it out because you can see the ice skate thing down there. Another present. Got the little elf with the pom-pom. Got some little glitter balls and the gold thread. I love how she puts gold thread in all of them. There's that one. And then, of course, we got a Santa. Isn't that cute? Season's greetings. You know what? I'm not even going to pack these up. I'm going to leave them out for inspiration because I'm trying to figure out how to do the clean, chunky like this. I can do the shabby and the vintage chunky, no problem. Most of the time it's with flowers. But I'm trying to do more of this style crafting. See the little gold thread in there, y'all? Isn't that cute? But I'm gonna try to do this, so I'm not even gonna pack these up. I am leaving these out for inspiration. I have a little bin thing over here that I put all my incoming mail in, and when I'm making something like it, I go and I get it out and I set it in front of me for inspiration. So that is where these are going to go. Thank you so much, Lily. They are awesome. And I know you said something when I emailed you about it being late or whatever, but don't worry about that. I still have Christmas stuff I need to get out. But anyway, I just thought this was adorable, and that came in the mail a couple days ago. So I want to show you that. And today, I got a package in the mail from someone that I have never received a package from, and it was a total surprise. And it is from, sorry, Carmen Goris, y'all. I couldn't believe it. I've never received anything from Carmen, so this was totally amazing to me. And I wasn't expecting anything from anyone, to be honest with you, so this was a real treat. And look at how she decorated her envelope. She has got stickers and die cuts, and they are all just awesome. She's got vintage stamps and pictures, butterflies. I love these ticket things that she's put on here, all these vintage things. Briggs marking pen, thinking of you, get well. It's got a flamingo. Check out these stamps. Aren't those cool? And it's just got all kinds of vintage things on here. And De-Stress Zone, Calgon Take Me Away. I used to say that all the time, Calgon Take Me Away. It used to be a commercial for younger people. But anyway, She has sent a card and a goodie, and I cut it open, but I didn't open it. So what is? Oh, isn't that adorable? That is so cute. It's a bunny. I love that. Thank you so much. It's a little pic. I hadn't seen pics like this. Isn't that cute? I love it. Thank you so much. And I did open the card and read it. I didn't look to see what that was, but I did open the card. Look at this, y'all, how she put my initials JB. And honestly, that's Jelly Bean, but that's also my initials with my maiden name. So I can still use it because my maiden name's still on my driver's license. They took my middle name off and put my maiden name. But that's awesome. I love the way she did that. And look at this card she made, y'all. She has got 3 layers, a polka dot, well, the card, the polka dot layer, and then this embossed layer. And it's not just embossed with like, the embossing folders I have are like all dragonflies or all butterflies or all snowflakes or all hearts. It's not a picture. But this one is like a picture scene. It's like hanging down tree limbs, a dragonfly, butterflies, and grass at the bottom. And I think that is so neat. Carmen, I would really love to know where you got that embossing folder because that's awesome. And she put it on some polka dotted paper that was raised polka dots. So that's really cool too. And then she has this beautiful layered bow here, and then a J. See the J? And get well soon, and the butterfly. And I love this butterfly too. And then she wrote me a really sweet note on the inside. And you know, it's just the best thing to get a note when you're not feeling good. Things, you know, or sometimes you just feel sad, and to get a note is awesome. So I want to say thank you to everyone who sent me a card, a note. You know, it's really, really uplifting. So I want to say thank you. And I want to say, if you know someone that isn't feeling good, hadn't been around, send them a card or a note in the mail. I mean, it's nice to get a phone call, but when you can actually sit there and hold something in your hand and feel it, it's different. It'd be nice if we could send, you know, I think we need to have a challenge of some sort and send out just cards to, like we did the veterans, but to send to our senior citizens and disabled people who can't go out right now. I think that would be awesome. But anyway, I'm going to come back and show y'all a few little things I worked on. I worked on some little tiny pitty things that, you know, weren't too exerting. And I tried something new I want to show y'all I'm excited about. But anyway, I'm not going to make this video too long. Thank you for watching. Thank y'all to all my subscribers. Y'all have a crafty day, and I'll be back real soon. Bye for now.